What's up, folks? Tony's morning update. January 10th. Sorry about yesterday. I had power issues. Um, I won't be here tomorrow either, so we're going to kind of do a 2-4 into tomorrow's CPI. We had a consolidation day yesterday. Now it ticked above this high, so technically it wasn't an inside day. And then we fell from there a little bit, but we closed modestly lower. 4790, obviously is going to be the level today. Here you got a POC and an open and close. So 86 your low, 84 again. So you've tapped it twice. Technically it's three times. If we get above that again, we should go higher. How much higher, I don't know. We'll have to look, but I would look at 48.20. Then you got the 28 levels, pretty good. 34 is going to be the real level I would watch. And then 41, we break that double top on 41 here, and then we'll get to my 58.60 target. I'm not saying that's the tippy top, but that's what I'm aiming for as kind of a top and then go back down. Now, ideally, I'd like to see this traverse down into this traffic here. So 35 to 25 and then bounce back up. That's just me. Who knows what we'll get. But as of now, we've had a consolidation day yesterday, fairly equal distribution. Overnight, fairly equal distribution. So I think at some point we'll either go up or down today. I think we'll move away from this. To the extent, I don't know. 67 held, which was interesting. 66, 65. So that's going to be an interesting level as well. So I'd watch that 67, 65 level for support if we get down there. We could bounce off that. We get below that, 47.50. We do have singles cleanup down to 44. So that's going to be a level. And then we get into the traffic of 35.25 area. I doubt we see a retest to 702, but who knows? We could see that. Pivots 87, 4807 is your R1. That could be an interesting, so we pop above the triple top here by 3 or 4 points and then rug pull. Same thing kind of as it did yesterday. It poked above the high by ticks and then dropped. 4823 is not bad. 4843, I like that as well. 4770 works. 4750 S2 is spot on. And 47 S3 is. These are excellent today. 4774 is my green line. It held yesterday on the dip. So we'll kind of keep an eye on that. SPX cash gap above. We've chewed into it. So 65, 47, 69, 83. So 4770 clears that. That was also kind of a target of mine. Here's your not an inside day, but looks like an inside day. And then we have a little guy here, 99 and 97. So we'll see. Next one down is down here. If we get there, then the world has ended. Euro, US dollar, quite the coil here. So this is poised to move as well. So we could see another consolidation day here and here into tomorrow's CPI and then get our move. But I think we'll get the move today. That's just me. That's just the way I feel. Don't bank on that. Bond auction 10-year at 1 p.m. and I think that that's going to be something to watch for. I still believe that bond auctions are the new Fed day, so you really need to keep those on your radar. As long as they're below or at what they expect, it's great. But if they come in higher or that bid to cover is low, this market goes down. And even yesterday, the short-term one, the 3-month or something like that, or 3-year. I think it was a 3-year. It was a lower interest and a decent bid to cover, but we didn't really rally. So it's interesting that a good bond auction didn't rally it, but a bad auction, I think, will tank it. So that's just me. Please be aware of that, 1 p.m. Other than that, there's nothing today until CPI tomorrow, which everybody's waiting for. So we'll see if there's any initial moves. Again, tomorrow CPI, first move is initially wrong. So you get an 8:30 jive somewhere, and then once that starts to rest, give it a good half hour, and then we can move into, sometimes it's that 10 a.m. move, and then it will reverse. It doesn't always happen, but most of the time it does. Anyway, I will be in and out of the room all day today and tomorrow, so hang tight. But just be careful today, 1 p.m. So if you're going to take your trades, make sure you're out by 1, just for craziness. All right.